Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need Mac OS 13 or later and Stage Manager enabled in Control Center. First, close or organize unnecessary windows so you start clean. Now turn Stage Manager on, click Control Center, enable Stage Manager, and watch the right-hand strip appear. Once done, open the 2 to 4 apps you plan to use. Each becomes a grouped window in the organizer. Make sure to save any unsaved work before rearranging windows, because window positions update as you build your workspace. You'll now build workflows by grouping windows and customizing layouts. Drag additional windows onto a thumbnail to form a multi-window group, or drop one to create split view for focused tasks. Use hover previews to check content, then click a thumbnail to bring that group forward. If you want different arrangements, open Mission Control to see all groups, and tweak Stage Manager options in Control Center. Adjust visibility and prioritization so the apps you use most are easiest to access. Finish by pinning your frequently used apps to keep them visible and closing groups that clutter your strip. You can switch instantly with keyboard shortcuts, so customize those in system settings for speed. Once everything is arranged, test a typical task flow to confirm windows behave as expected. If Stage Manager acts oddly, toggle it off and on, restart the misbehaving app, or reboot. This usually clears layout glitches and restores expected grouping and visibility, so you can continue working.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.